And what I want to do is define a function, and let's call it nary, and it takes f, which should be a binary function, that is a function that takes exactly 2 arguments, and nary should return a new function that can take any number of arguments. We'll call this one f2, so that f2 of ABC is equal to f of A and f of BC. And that'll be true for any number of arguments, not 2 or more. It doesn't have to just be ABC. So let's see if you can write this function nary. Here's the description of what it should do. It takes a binary function f as input, and it should return this nary function that, when given more than 2 arguments, returns this composition of arguments. When given 2 arguments, it should return exactly what f returns. And you should also allow it to take a single argument and return just that argument. And that makes sense for a lot of functions f. Say for sequence, the sequence of one item is the item. For alt, the alternative of one item is the item. I mentioned addition and multiplication. Makes sense to say the addition of a number by itself is that number, or same with multiplication. So that's a nice extension for nary. See if you can put your code here. So what we're doing is we're passed in a function, we're defining this new nary function, putting the code in there, and then we're returning that nary function as the value of that call.